In a bid to address the tumultuous situation that had arisen from the Common University Entrance Test, or Cuet, the state government of Meghalaya plans to engage with the National Testing Agency, the NTA, for either a retest or exemption for students from the region. The first day of Cuet at the Northeastern Hill University, Shillong, was marred by disorder, primarily due to delays in administering the English exam, resulting in prolonged stay for fatigued students on campus till late hours. In the aftermath of the Cuet chaos, Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma presided over a review meeting involving NTA representatives and NEHU officials to assess the situation. Sangma revealed minimal absenteeism during the NEHU examination, acknowledging a delay in commencement due to insufficient biometrics equipment. Expressing grave concern, Education Minister Rakam A. Sangma underscored the government's commitment to addressing the Cuet examination debacle, attributing the chaos to NTA's lack of readiness and coordination. Sangma emphasized that the state government was not involved in the examination process, which was solely managed by the NTA. Highlighting the adverse impact on the students' performance, particularly those from rural areas, Sangma vowed to advocate for exemption or a retest opportunity for affected students.
Yeah, we had a special meeting on this. We have called the NTA coordinator, the NEHU officials who were at the nodal department to in in conducting of the CUT examination in Meghalaya, and like we have discussed, of course, the issue has been taken very seriously. Honorable Chief Minister has taken note very seriously and have decided to take off the matter with the NTA, with the Government of India, at the interest of our students. There are many students who could not, there are some few students who could not appear in the exam as well, and there are many rural, I mean, students who have not registered for the CUT examination, and our Honorable Chief Minister will be taking up the matter with the NTA and the central government, and we will be writing for those students appearing in the CUT examination to take admission in the NEHU itself, and also to give second chance, and also those students who are appearing to take admission in the colleges affiliated to NEHU to be to given exemption this year again. But these things will be taken up with the NTA and the government of India. Look, this is something like this CUT examination is nothing to do with the state government. It's completely conducted by the NTA because it was lack of preparedness, lack of coordination. The NTA did not communicate to the state government department, including the deputy commissioner for the law and order enforcement. Lack of coordination happened. Therefore, many students have landed in the queues. Therefore, for the interest of the students, the state will be taking up the matter with the NTA. And also, just to inform that, like, maybe the CUT is always the issue, and therefore we are coming up with the state university. So, will be the many of the colleges affiliated to NEHU now can be given the green signal to affiliate with this new state, Captain Williamson State University.
Sir, how many